everybody, this is Louisa with Ellie Paper Studio, and I am working on a layout right now. It's been a really long time since I posted a video. Life has been really busy, but it's been great. My Etsy shop has kept me busy, so I really appreciate all the support there. This layout I'm working on is a welcome home for a dog, specifically my dog. His name is Atlas, and you may hear him. He's outside my room right now, but he can be pretty mouthy, and he's with a friend. So what I've done is that I've done my typical 11 by 1 inch strips and put them together with some tape. Then I did some 10.5 by 1 inch strips and also put them together to create this smaller white border. Then I have this paper here from Karen Foster Design, and it's really great. I love it. However, I didn't want to waste it because I bought a small kit and it only brought 1 sheet of each pattern paper, and I want to get more use out of it. So I went ahead and cut some strips for these two and then cut some more strips here. And then you can see it's a little choppy down here, the way I glued it and how this comes together, but that's okay because I have this border that I'm going to be gluing on. So it kind of covers some of that. Then I also have this blue stripe sheet, and all the measurements will be at the end, but I can give those to you also. This is 11 inches for sure, so 11 by 11. This is 11.5 by 11.5 and 12 by 12, of course. Then this is 9.5 by 9.5, and this label here is 8.5 by 8.5. And then the offset is just brought in 1/4 of an inch. Then I have my photo mat that I will be putting together, and a lot of die cuts that I've cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together. Okay, so this is how the layout turned out. I made an oopsie there, so I would recommend you go really, really slowly. I'm still really happy with how it turned out. It has a lot of die cuts, so I would probably, hindsight, limit the die cut amount and maybe do something cuter with a frame. I really like the paper. I think it's all dog. I think also because this pattern paper is so busy, it's hard with with everything else that's going on. Like, there's not specifically something that focuses your attention. So that's another thing I would change. But I still am very pleased with how it turned out. I also chose these embellishments because this is exactly what we had when we went to pick them up. We didn't have hardly anything else, and then we started building onto his collection of toys and of things that we realized that we needed to get. So I hope you enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up and staying there even though it's been a while for me. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys enjoy these. Happy holidays, happy belated holidays, I guess, and here's to a great 2016. Bye, y'all.